Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple AirPods to your Mac computer so that you can use them as Bluetooth headphones. To get started, open System Preferences. If you don't have the shortcut in your dock, just go to the Apple logo on the top left and then choose System Preferences in there. Once in System Preferences, select Bluetooth. You'll then see a list of already, if you have any, connected Bluetooth devices. Now over to the AirPods themselves, open the lid of the case and then on the back, press and hold the pairing button. The light indicator inside of the AirPods case will start to pulse white, letting you know that it's in discoverable or pairing mode. Back on your Mac, the AirPods will then show up in the devices list. This may take a few seconds if it doesn't show up right away. When it does, select Connect on the right. It will then connect the AirPods to your Mac, and when it's finished, it will show connected in the devices list. You can then close System Preferences, and if you ever need a quick shortcut to connect them in the future, just select the Bluetooth icon in the top right menu bar and choose them in here. This menu will also show you the battery levels of both the left and the right as well as the case. If you ever want to disconnect or forget the AirPods from your Mac, just head back to System Preferences, choose Bluetooth, and while the AirPods are off and put back in the case, select the X next to the AirPod in the list. On the pop-up, confirm by hitting Forget Device. And that's how you connect your Apple AirPods to your Mac computer. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.